Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I know we just did one, but we're doing another TJ Maxx haul, and also I am doing something I also got at Target. So I have a bunch of stuff here, beauty products. I have 2 clothing items, and I'm so excited. I know I just did one, so I won't do these like a ton unless I find something like really good like I did today, but I'm excited to show you guys because it's such a good deal, and I love makeup and a good deal, and those two together make the perfect connection. So I do have one quick announcement. I am doing a giveaway on my channel. We have less than 100 subscribers to go. I'm doing it when I hit 500. I will link it up above. I will put it down below on how to enter that, so go look for that, and don't forget to go subscribe to my channel and just keep on watching. Okay, so the first store I'm gonna do is TJ Maxx. See, I got my items here. So the first thing I got is this dress shampoo. I have never tried this. It is such a big bottle though, and I got the coconut and exotic tropical smell. I have not tried this. I heard really good things about it though, and I picked this up for $7.99. The lid is cracked and I didn't realize that, but other than that, this I'm so excited to try it out, and it is usually, oh, it doesn't have the usual price. I honestly don't really know, but I picked it up for $7.99. Then I got the Body Shop Cocoa Butter Shower Cream, and I got this for $3.99, and it says it compares to 7 and up. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I went like this in store and I just smelled it. I was like, I have to get it. I love shower gels, and this one just smells so good. In the Body Shop, I love that brand. They're just really moisturizing and really good. Then I also got one more thing from the Body Shop. I picked this up for $4.99, and it compares to $8 and up, and it's a strawberry softening body polish. Girl, this smells so good too. Girl, this smells so good. It smells like strawberries. I just want to like bathe myself in this right now. It's so good, so good. These two make the perfect combination. Then I got one Anastasia eyeshadow. It is like a green foil type thing. I got it for $3.99, and it says it compares to $7. This is so pretty, and it's an Anastasia eyeshadow for $3.99. I'll just put it in like my little Z palette. I've gotten a bunch of other ones from TJ Maxx, and I just put them all in there, but this is what that looks like. It has a shimmer to it. It's green. So pretty. Let's just swatch it right now, like why not? So I'm just taking, oh my gosh, it's like almost like an iridescent type color. You can hardly see it on camera, the camera hardly picks it up, but it is so pretty. It has a lot of shine. Like I feel like it's like a highlighter. I do have this Z palette though that I picked up, and all of these shades are pretty much that I found at TJ Maxx, so it's just another one to add to my collection. So excited. $3.99. And then I got this blush kit. This is the thing I was most excited for. I've seen this in Ulta, but I was like, I don't really want to pay the price. It says it compares to $33, and I picked it up for $19.99. But this is an Anastasia blush kit. I'm gonna pray, I haven't opened this yet, but I'm gonna pray it's not broke, because sometimes at TJ Maxx they break. But this is what this looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look how pretty that is. Anastasia blush kit at TJ Maxx. Mind is blown. Look how pretty. I am so excited. All these shades are really pretty. I just want to dig into it right now. So those are the last makeup items I got at TJ Maxx, but I did get 2 clothing items. Girl, these are so cute. So I work for Estee Lauder, and I have to wear a lot of black. So I got this shirt, and it has like a little tie at the end. It's just really plain. It's really cute. And I picked this up for $12.99, and it said it was $17, but it's just, it looks dirty, but I don't think, oh, it has some stuff on it, but oh my gosh, it's just really cute, and I love the bottom. It'd just be really nice to wear that to work. And then from the same brand, this is $12.99, and it was originally $17. I have this. Look at the sleeve ruffles. That is just so cute. And it's just a nice flowy shirt, like a jean. Has a little button in the back. Just really cute. I'm so excited. So those were the last things I picked up at TJ Maxx. Now moving on to Target. So I recently found out that the Sonia brushes, I don't know how you say it, are on sale. Oh my gosh, I love brushes. I'm obsessed with brushes. As you can see, I have a ton back there. and I just love trying out different ones. So I got this one for $3.58. This is the powder brush. $3.58. It was originally $11.99. $3.58. So I don't know if they're just going out of Target. If somebody knows, you should like comment down below on what's happening. I'm gonna try to open this little tricky for Elizabeth. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. $3.58 for this. And again, this is the powder brush. This one was $3.28, and this is the blusher brush. And let me just open this one up. This one was $3.28 and it was originally $10.99. All of these brushes are just so soft. And again, like $3. Oh my gosh, it's like perfect. And it's not too like huge. Like this would be perfect for blush. I'm super excited. 2 down, 2 more to go. This one says it was $4.48. This is a small powder brush. It says it was $4.48 on there. It rang up for $2.68. $2.68, and it said it was 4. So I got to the register. I was making sure they all rung up on sale, and when I saw that, I was like, wait, what brush did I get that was $2? Apparently it is now $2 off the sale price. This is a nice small powder brush. Again, super soft bristles. This would be really good for like baking underneath your eye. And a powder. I use a Morphe brush right now. It's very similar to this. It'd also be really good for contouring. This is like the perfect thing for contouring actually. Like it could get right in there and make a really good line. So these are the 3 that I got, like this and in this style. And then I got one more. It was more expensive. It was originally $17.99 and I got it for $8.98. Again, it is a little bit different and it is a little bit more luxe. Let me just open this one up. See, it even has like a case to it. And when I went to my Target, this is the only one that they had left like this, or else I would have probably got some more. But yeah, the shelves were really picked through. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, I almost want to go to another Target. Like when I go to Springfield, I'm going to their Target. This is so soft. Like I thought these were soft, which they really are, but like these, or like this one is so soft, and it just feels like a really nice brush. This would be really good for under your eyes too, like wiping away powder. Maybe you could do a bronzer with this. I typically use a little bit bigger of a brush, but really for like wiping away powder and like putting powder on and baking, this would be perfect for that. And it was originally $17.99. $8.98 is what I got it for, and I am stoked. So these are the brushes I found at Target. And that is it for the video. I hope you guys like it. It wasn't a ton, but each week I honestly go to TJ Maxx and I kind of like look at what they have, because they do have really good deals. And then I knew that these were on sale. My Target was really picked through, but I'd go to your Target and look, because these are really good makeup brushes for an affordable price, and they're really discounted. Like this one was even discounted more, $2 for a brush. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to go enter my giveaway, and I will put it down below in the description box. Also, go subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.